I got a brand new car. It's a 2022 Honda Civic Sports Touring Hatchback in silver. I had pre-ordered it in black, but they said that wouldn't be until December, and I have to turn my Volvo in. I just covered up the plate so I don't have to blur it later. So let's look at the hatchiness. Look at that hatchiness. This goes over. Got the all-weather mats in it. Let's see how hard it is to make these seats go down. Come on. We want to see the true spaciousness. I put my seat too far forward or too far back. But I'm pretty sure if I put my seat up, I can put that seat down and then put my seat back again. So much space. And I was afraid that this was going to be a big downgrade from my 2018 Volvo S90. But after driving it, it has like a smoother ride than my Volvo. I thought this was going to be like stiff and bumpy, feel the road, but it's smooth. And the entertainment system is top notch. Oh, start her up. And the coolest thing is it has wireless Apple CarPlay. So I had Apple CarPlay in my Volvo, but you had to plug it in. And who has the time to do that? It's like a huge chore to plug it in, but most of the time when I'm just, running to the store or somewhere close, it's not even worth taking my phone out of my pocket and plugging it in. But this, when it connects automatically, you don't even have to do anything. I don't really want to show map. All right, there we go. So automatically boots up. It's Apple CarPlay on my phone. Listen to YouTube music. And it's just amazing. And it's got its own the Bluetooth audio and all that jazz. It's pretty cool. And here's some of the vehicle settings. A lot of driver assist features. I did try the lane keep assist, and it does do a good job at keeping you in your lane. It's not very jerky. Let's set the speed limit warning threshold up a little more, huh? What do you say? Not that I would ever exceed the posted speed limits. Driver attention monitor. I'm paying close enough attention. It's got some cool stuff in there. And this gauge cluster has got some other cool stuff. Scroll through here. There's little scroll wheels that let you scroll through. And that little car in the middle, whatever you do, there I put on the brakes, put on the blinker, it mirrors everything. I thought that was pretty cool. Auto rain sensing wipers, auto headlights, adaptive cruise control. So it's got all of the luxuries that I've become accustomed to in my cars. Nice perforated leather seats. It's got the home link for the garage door opener on the mirror. The sunroof. Oh yeah. It's very nice. I like it. This is the first Honda car that I've owned. I've owned many Honda motorcycles, and I've always enjoyed them. I do like the new honeycomb grille styling. Some people don't like that, but you know, it like hides all the vents, and I think it looks pretty cool. I personally like it. It's one of the things that made me choose the Civic, because this is newly redesigned for 2022, and I think it looks better than the Accord interior personally. And you only get wireless Apple CarPlay on the Touring Edition. It has this 9-inch screen. And what else? Do Zoom calls, Teams. Pretty cool. I like it. And like Siri is built right into the thing, so when you push this button, okay, when I pressed the Siri button, it stopped recording, so I can't press that button. It interrupts. Apple CarPlay, I guess, stops the video recording for some reason. I don't know why it does that. It's got wireless charging down there. Just put your phone down there. If you're going on a long trip, most of the time I just don't even take the phone out of my pocket, though. It's so convenient. A little storage there, a little tray. Put it on either side. Look how versatile. Look how versatile it is. And you don't have the like black piano black that is a fingerprint magnet. Like, you're not going to show any fingerprints on this stuff. I do have some of the piano black over here, but I never really touch my door over there. But overall, I think it's a very nice car. I'm liking it a lot. And my neighbor's over there looking at it. He's like, man, he got a new car? That's a nice looking car. See him over, he's over there walking. But I'm very happy with it. And this was supposed to just be until I get my Cybertruck, which could be a year or 2 years. But I don't know, it's so nice. We'll see how I feel in a year or two. I'm sure like the nostalgia or the new car excitement wears off after a little while. But so far, I'm really liking it. Like, it's got Bose audio, so it sounds very good. I can't play any music because I'll get copyright notices or content ID takeovers of my videos. So, but just know that it sounds very good, and I think the car's awesome. It's very, it's a simple layout. There's not too much going on here. There's just the stuff you want. There's temperature. You can turn the fan up and down. So it's auto, and then like almost everything's done through Apple CarPlay, which I love. So that's a little quick look at my car. 17 miles on it, but I think it's pretty cool. So I would highly recommend the new Honda Civic hatchback. And the hatchback gives you like just a lot more room for getting stuff in here. You could fit an 85-inch TV back there. Not that I do many big hauls, but every once in a while I might buy a big item or something at Sam's and have to have it hauled home somehow. I should be able to bring most things home with that big cargo space. Glove box. But that's about it. Maybe we'll go for a drive sometime, but not right now. Just wanted to give you a look around. Let's do one more walk around. Ooh. Ooh. And it automatically locks itself when you walk away. You could set it to do that. It doesn't have to. And I like the silver. See, it locked itself. It's so advanced. It's cool. It's a cool car, and I like it a lot. All right, guys. We'll talk to you later. Take it easy.